मकतब-ए-हिंद प्रेजेंट्स आइए मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी से मिले। तैयार करदा नाजिया ज़ाकिर शेख, मौलिमा अंजुमन इस्लाम, वली मोहम्मद, दोस्त मोहम्मद, पीर मोहम्मद उर्दू प्राइमरी स्कूल। खुशामदीद। जंग आज़ादी में मुसलमानों का किरदार। जब पड़ा वक्त गुलिस्ता पे तो खून हमने दिया, जब पड़ा वक्त गुलिस्ता पे तो खून हमने दिया, जब बहार आई तो कहते हैं तेरा काम नहीं। Indian freedom fighter Sirajuddaulah, born on 2nd July 1733, the last Nawab of Bengal, who fought and defeated Britishers in many battles and even chased them out of Calcutta for some time. He was a terror for the British, but was betrayed by Ali Beg and lost in the Battle of Plassey to Robert Clive and was executed. Bahadur Shah Zafar, born in 1775, Shahinshah Hind was the pioneer who started India's first war of independence against British and unified all princely states to fight in an organized manner for complete freedom. After 1857, he was defeated and exiled, and his sons Mirza Mughal, Mirza Khizr were killed in action at Delhi's Humayun's tomb by late Hudson near Khuni Darwaza. Bahadur Shah Zafar, Indian freedom fighter. Fazal Haq Khairabadi, born in 1797, great philosopher, author, poet, religious scholar and declared fatwa in favor of jihad against the English in 1857. He was sentenced for life to the prison at Kalapani on Andaman. Fazal Haq Khairabadi, Indian freedom fighter. Sher Mysore Sultan Hyder Ali. He was born in 1721. He was the first freedom fighter of India and waged all-out war against Britishers. He was a military inventor and world's first iron-chased rocket were used by him. The Mysorean rockets amazed all. He was very secular and unified Hindus and Muslims. He later made Khande Rao his assistant, who later betrayed him and helped the British. He died on 4th Muharram according to the Islamic lunar calendar. He defeated native Christians of Goa always and was the father of Tipu Sultan. Sher Mysore Sultan Hyder Ali, Indian freedom fighter. World first missile was invented by him. General Shahnawaz Khan, born on 24th January 1914. He was a brave captain in Indian Army and later the right hand of Subhas Bose and became General of the Indian National INA. He was in cabinet of Arzi Hukumat-e-Azad Hind and as a politician and elected 4 times in Lok Sabha from Meerut constituency. He began Garibi Hatao Andolan and was sentenced to death by British Raj. He escaped gallows. General Shahnawaz Khan, Indian freedom fighter. Azizan, Lucknow ki Bahadur Khatun, born in Lucknow in 1832. She organized a battalion of warrior women. She was skilled in the art of war and taught other women how to use arms. She collected information about the British and passed it on the other freedom fighters, including Nana Sahib. Later, Nawabzadi was captured by General Havelock, who offered to spare her life if she gave information. As a female mujahid, he rejected the offer and preferred martyrdom. Lucknow ki Bahadur Khatun Azizan. Hasrat Mohani, born in 1875, Inqilab Zindabad was coined by him in 1921. was student of Aligarh Muslim University, and his furious Urdu speeches made Indian hostile against British. Was arrested and jailed. Hasrat Mohani, Indian freedom fighter. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan with Gandhiji. Abdul Ghaffar Khan was a great freedom fighter who had vast follower from all over northern India, and he was known as the Frontier Gandhi. He was one of the non-violent soldiers of Islam and supported Ahimsa and Satyagraha. He played a huge role in Khilafat movement against British. He always opposed the concept of creating Pakistan. He was an alumnus of Aligarh Muslim University. He was jailed for 13 years by British in total. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Indian freedom fighter. Badruddin Tayyabji, born on 10th of October 1844. He was the first Indian Chief Justice of Bombay. He was also a lawyer and the third President of the Indian National Congress. His wife Suraya Tayyabji had designed the present Indian flag, which was approved and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 17 July 1947. She was ICS officer of the PMO. Badruddin Tayyabji, Indian freedom fighter. Abdul Majid Daryabadi, born in 1892, was an actively associated with the Khilafat movement and an exegete of the Quran. His grandfather, Mufti Mazhar Karim, was sentenced to Andaman for signing fatwa against the British Raj. Abdul Majid Daryabadi, Indian freedom fighter. Bakht Khan, Bahadur Fauji, born in 1795. He was in the Bengal Horse Artillery for 40 years and gallantly fought Britishers in Delhi, Bengal, Shahjahanpur and Lucknow under the last Mughal prince Mirza Zahiruddin and Mirza Mughal. On 30th of May 1859, he was mortally wounded in the battle against British units and died in action. Bahadur Fauji, Bakht Khan, Indian freedom fighter. चीजों की कीमत मिलने से पहले होती है और इंसानों की कीमत होने के बाद. मर के भी रहते हैं लोग जिंदा मगर, मर के भी रहते हैं लोग जिंदा मगर, ये सआदत नहीं हर किसी के लिए. जय हिंद. शुक्रिया.